Reduce, reuse, recycle, repeat. Reduce, reuse, recycle, repeat. Reduce, reuse, recycle, repeat.
If we don't follow the mantra of reduce, reuse, recycle, and repeat, we would be living on a planet full of trash and garbage. Even right here at home, you see. Pakistan is the 6th most populated country in the world. Its total surface area of almost 800,000 kilometers supports almost 185 million people. That's like 237 people living in every square kilometer of space. Collectively, Pakistan produces approximately 27 million tons of solid waste annually. This means 2,250,000 tons each month, or almost 6,164 tons of waste each day. If only there was a way to cut down on these numbers. But wait, there is!
Reduce, reuse, recycle, repeat. Reduce, reuse, recycle, repeat. Reduce, reuse, recycle, repeat.
We can reduce our usage of brand new paper, plastic, and other materials, reuse some of what we already have, and recycle most of what might be wasted. We know that rubbish can be converted into resource by reusing and recycling. Used paper can be recycled into new paper. In fact, if you recycle about a ton of paper, you will end up saving almost 17 trees. Or instead of throwing plastic bottles and containers out, you can actually recycle them to make clothing, stuffing for toys, and even rulers. Use cloth bags instead of plastic bags so you can keep reusing them. And of course, if you're going to use glass instead of plastic, you can go ahead and recycle it without any loss of quality at all.
Reduce, reuse, recycle, repeat. Reduce, reuse, recycle, repeat. Reduce, reuse, recycle, repeat.
Of course, you need to consume things of different types. We're not asking you to stop. We're just asking you to be smart about how you consume resources. Be sure and separate the paper, plastic, and glass from the actual waste so they can be easily and cleanly recycled.
Reduce, reuse, recycle, repeat. Reduce, reuse, recycle, repeat. Reduce, reuse, recycle, repeat.
And finally, you can just plan your usage better. Don't need to use 10 pieces of paper to take notes? Reuse some of it. Got too many newspapers stored up? Use them for packing or even cleaning. Maybe you can even sell them and raise funds for a good cause. There's just so much you can do if only you plan things better. Remember, this earth belongs to all of us, and it is up to us, each and every one of us, to take care of it. Play your part. Take responsibility. Be responsible.